What's up, beautiful people? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight, good whatever it is, wherever you are on earth. It's your boy this morning again, David, live from IFX. And this morning, I'm about to my trades together. Please, people, before we continue, I would definitely appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button on all of our social media pages: Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. You get it. So people really, before I start trading this morning, I just want to say something. I really appreciate the support, the like that people are giving me. Honestly, I really appreciate it. You understand? Even though for now, if it is not much, I really appreciate it. You get it? So one thing I would just say is this: whatever you do in life, should anybody criticize you and they try to nail you to the cross, you just keep doing what you're doing. You understand? Someday it's gonna pay off. You get it? So let them go ahead and criticize you and all that. You understand? So maybe someday later we get better into this. So let's get down to business. This is Euro USD. This is Euro USD. So from this Euro USD, from what I could see here, one thing about life, when people criticize you, don't fight it. Just prove them wrong. Don't fight them. Just prove them wrong. That's it. Yeah, people, this is Euro USD. And I was asked this morning by somebody. He called me and he was asking me, what do you think about Euro USD? And I said to him, now you know what? Euro USD, to me, I believe it's going up. Oh, sorry. I believe it's coming down a little bit, sorry. And this was what I told the person. And the person was like, okay, why do you say it's coming down? And I told him that, hey, there are many reasons that prove that it's a downtrending market. You get me? So there are many things that prove it. Sorry, people. This is just swinging. I'm sorry. Oh, God. You know what? I don't know. I'm really happy this morning. I'm really, really, really happy, honestly. I'm really happy. Now, okay. Let's take this and put it a little bit below. Okay. Okay, I'm coming, please. I'm trying to prove some things. Oh, people, I hardly sleep. So when you see me, I come, I do sort of think. I'm just, I hardly sleep. I work all night. Oh, people, you can see me laughing. You don't know what's making me. You don't know what's making me laugh. You understand? I'm coming. I'm still analyzing the market, but when some things happen in life, and climbing some climax, you just be happy. Where are you hiding? Where are you hiding? Sorry, I'm looking for a specific thing. Where you hiding, man? Where's this stuff? It's not here. What I'm looking for is not here. I don't know why, but what I'm looking for is not here. But apart from that, I'm gonna do it like this. Understand? So I'm gonna make it solid. Sorry. Okay, let me clone it then. Let me clone it. Clone. Okay. Please, I would like to have some comment below. I believe everybody, has been, not everybody, some group of stupid people in life, they just organize themselves and they bully you. You get it? So when they bully you, what do you think? What do how do you feel then? How did you handle it? I like to know. You get it? I really like to know. You get it? Honestly, I really like to know how you guys deal with bullying in your school days. Even right now, some people, some people that some kid adults are still out there bullying people. Bullying people like they believe they're the best. Whenever they see you do anything, they find errors on it. Oh, Jesus, what's this? What's happening, man? Okay. Okay. This is EurUsd. That's what we're still doing. Sorry, people. We're still gonna do more of this trade. I just want you guys to know that EurUsd, for now, it's a downtrending market. Because I don't see USD doing much. Okay, you know what? I could see USD fighting this range for now. I could see USD trying to fight this range for now. For now, it's possible for it to reverse early, but I could see USD fighting this place. You get me? So I'm coming. Oh, people, please, I really love to know, how did you handle bullying in your school days? I really love to know. Please just leave your comment in the section below. I really love to know how you did handle bullying in your school days. So let me just put something here, and so we see what is going on. Sorry about that. Yeah. Okay. So let's put a comment here. So just watch what I'm about to write. Just watch it. Okay. EurUsd is a downtrending market for now on the daily chart. It will move 50 to 60 pips before it will take other decision. Okay. Please note that these might, sorry people, reverse and then forecasted. And we then forecasted. But for now, it's a bearish market. What's today's date again? Hey Google, what's today's date?
It is Wednesday, January 13th, 2021.
Okay, January 13th. 2021. Okay. Good morning. Okay. Okay, now let's sorry people, we just have to break all these words so it will be aligned properly. So if we don't do that, it will be like it won't really give us what we want. Okay, so let's try to like zoom it a little bit so it will be clear for people that want to read. 16th. Okay, so now this is it. 13th of January 2021. You understand? I said it that this market is going to hit. It might hit early. You understand? Please don't make mistake. Please just listen to what I said. It might hit early and it might hit late. But from what I can see here, I'm coming. Okay, now, okay, from what I could see here, it might hit this place and reverse up. You understand? But from what I can see here, it's coming down. You understand? It might hit early. Please don't make a mistake. Just remember what I said. It might hit early and reverse. You get it? But from what I can see right now, it's going to hit late. You understand? From what I can see here, you get it? So it's going to hit late. You know, it will go below this place as I'm looking at it. You know, but at the same time, it might hit early. Please remember that. But it's a downtrending market, anyways. Okay, week 1, 2 now. Okay. So let's do it like this. Okay, Yeah, this is what I'll say about this trade. You understand? For now, this is what I'll say about it. This would be like something like a V curve. You get it, and it might hit early, just like I said. But please, people, just try to watch out for it. So let's check. Let's take EU stock. Whoa, man. So what can you tell me about this EU stock? What can you tell me about it? What do you think this market is about to do? Because to me, this market is about to do something. But what do you think the market is about to do? So, left to me, I believe this market. What I think it would do. Okay, I'll tell you what I think about the EU stock, 50 right now. What I see here, I'm coming. Okay, what I see here is a downtrending market. What I see here is a downtrending market. You understand? It's a downtrending market. So I'm coming. Let me just label this. That is a downtrending market, but the market won't go down for long. Get it? Okay. Copy down. No, it ain't there. It ain't price, baby. No. Oh, no. Okay. Now I said the EU stock is a downtrending market, but not for long. So let me see. Okay. For now, let's just leave it like this. Oh shit, it ain't in a balloon. Okay, let's leave it like this. Okay, people, for now, please. This is the best I could do this morning. I have to attend to other things, but I'll see you after today's trade. I'll definitely come back and come do some analysis. You get it? And this is all I have for now. So people, please trade safe, trade wise. Don't be greedy. God help us all, and have a good one. See you in my next video. Bye.